Hi, I'm Diane Southard, founder and CEO of Your DNA Guide, and today I want to talk to you about organizing your DNA with the Leeds Method. Now, the Leeds Method is aptly named after my good friend Dana Leeds. She's the one who came up with this methodology to sort your matches using a spreadsheet and a simple process. So that process begins with step one by creating a list of your second and third cousin matches. Now, in general, these are going to be matches sharing less than 400 centimorgans with you. So then you start by choosing the first match and you pick a color and fill in the space next to that first match. Let's say that person's name happens to be Batman, for example. Then you're going to use the Shared Matches tool, and this is available at all of our DNA testing companies. And you're going to find other matches in my match list who share DNA with Batman. So in this case, you can see that Batman is sharing DNA with Flash, Iron Man, Catwoman, Black Panther, Hulk, and Lex Luthor. Who knew, right? So you would fill in the cell next to each of these names with that same color. Once you're done, you're going to go back to your main match list and you're going to find the first person on the list who doesn't yet have a color. So in my list, this is Wonder Woman. And so I would assign Wonder Woman a new color and I would repeat the process using the Shared Matches tool on Wonder Woman, filling in all of those individuals who share DNA with her. So you can see Wonder Woman sharing DNA with Superman, Spider-Man, Wolverine, Storm, and Captain America. And then you do it again. You find the next individual on your match list who doesn't yet have a color. In our case, this is Doctor Strange. You give him a new color, use the Shared Matches tool, fill in all the individuals who share with him. So you can see that essentially it's the same process, just repeated over and over and over again until you don't have any more unlabeled matches. All right. So again, Bane was the match here that was not yet labeled. And then I would use the Share Matches tool and theoretically find another person who's sharing with Bane. So what does this all mean? What do we really mean when we're looking at all of these colors? Well, again, ideally, when you run this process, you would divide up your entire match list into these 4 different colors. And these 4 colors represent your 4 great-grandparent couples. Now, again, this is the ideal situation. When you use the Leeds method, you may end up with fewer or more groups than this. But in general, I encourage you to look for this kind of pattern within your matches. Your matches in general, as long as your lines are not related to each other, should be able to sort into at least these 4 great-grandparent groups. So, that's the Leeds method. Thank you for joining me. If you want more great tips on what to do with your DNA, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel. And of course, you can read further instructions about the Leeds method on our blog. So thank you for joining me today. I am Diane Southard, your DNA guide.